If you're looking for a side hustle for 2026 and you're tired of the saturated Etsy, drop shipping, or even buying physical inventory, I actually want to share something with you guys that I've been doing, and that's selling hair websites on Shopify. And no, I'm not talking about like selling hair. I'm talking about building the actual Shopify store and selling the website to actually someone who wants to start a hair business. So if you guys know, I started this channel, I used to be Terry's Side Hustles. And if you hear something in the background, I got a baby. I know once someone was like, what's those weird noises in the back? Friend, I got a baby. You see that? They make noises, play the toys, jingle, cool, a baby. Now, I've been doing this for a few years. I'm going to put the screenshot on the side for proof. You know you got to have proof. Like, obviously, this is a good side hustle. You can make money. Some people make that in a month. Some people make that in a week, a year. But this is my proof. And not everybody knows how to make money online. So for me, that's pretty good. So if you're looking for a new side hustle, y'all got to tap in. I'm going to go over pretty much the business model, how it works, and how you can make money yourself. Be sure to join Angel's Academy. It is my new membership on my home tab of my YouTube channel. I will be helping you guys step by step. Pretty much it's like mentorship. People ask me, do I have coaching, one-on-one mentorship? This is it. If you're serious, that's just how I weigh out the serious people. Pretty much, yeah, you can ask me any questions you want and I'll literally hold your hand. Just join Angel's Academy if you are serious about making money online. So pretty much you will build a beautiful Shopify hair store. You package it as a ready-to-use website. Someone buys it, they get the website, and pretty much you will also sync the dropshipping hair vendor. Hair businesses are constantly starting. A lot of people don't know how to build a professional Shopify store. They don't necessarily want to spend thousands on a custom website, so you're pretty much selling them the shortcut. You're not really selling them a website. You're selling them the time they would spend trying to figure out Shopify themselves. So this is pretty much what I'm selling, a pre-built Shopify hair store. It's fully designed. I even sync a dropshipping vendor for my clients. So it has like a home page, product page, collection page, navigation, and it even comes with helpful PDF guides to help them. These are my current prices for my pre-built hair stores. I pretty much have different packages. You can obviously just choose one price, but I try to make it, different tiers pretty much to help clients based off of their needs. So this is a great model because I don't have to build a completely different website from scratch every single time. I do use my own pre-built website templates. So here are a couple of screenshots of this sales. It's definitely a great side hustle. And I do have a freebie link down below. Be sure to add your email to my email list at the bottom of the website. Enter code checklist at the very end of checkout. And then this will be 100% free. It's pretty much a checklist of how you can start doing this side hustle like me. So this is pretty much how you will make money. You build it once, package it, list it, market it, and then sell it repeatedly. Like I said, these are pre-built templates. So pretty much you don't have to make a custom website every time. You pretty much insert your own template, and it's pretty much easy to just plug and play. Now, of course, you need a website to host your pre-built stores on. I use Shopify myself, but that's where I would sell my websites. And then on Shopify, this is my website right here. I list them on YouTube. This is how I make the sales. Pretty much figure out what social media you want to use. I suggest YouTube because it is forever and they always push your content for free instead of like trying to pay for ads. YouTube is pretty much organic traffic. Now, this side hustle isn't for somebody who doesn't want to learn Shopify at all. You need to know how to make the store look good, understand the basics, and actually give people something worth buying. So your beginner game plan pretty much is pick a niche, build one amazing store, package it, create your product listing, make content and sell it. You don't need 20 websites to start. I will literally just start with one. So be sure you click the link in the description pretty much if you want that freebie. If you want me to actually show you how I build one of these hair stores from scratch, let me know because I can literally record the whole process. And if you're new here, friend, go ahead and subscribe because that's basically what we're going to be doing over here on this channel, building digital products and finding ways to make money without constantly selling our time. Thanks for watching.